Okay, so starting at the top here, I think what somehow we need to have a button that references, the page that you got with the 20 logos. So I don't know where to put that button. And maybe what you can do is move this whole thing down, put space in here, and then have a button that says, just to look funny up there. Okay, I think put these titles up here, because that's what they are. Put the titles up there, and then put a button in here that says "See List," and the yeah "See List," and it'll be like a 3D looking button like that. So it'll say "See List," and you put it right there, and then don't have all this dead space in here. So shorten that up, and then I need a gap. Take the white out of here, white out of here, because these guys don't go to the website. They just sell tickets themselves, and so I need an arrow going to the bank. So you can move the bank over a little bit. This needs to be a nice smooth curve on the side here, a nice smooth curve. This needs to be larger, okay? This needs to come down more like a website, it's longer. Move the play video button down. I need arrow lines that are popping up, that's showing this is popping up. And with the video player, you've got to have a video in the window here. Make it look like, grab that image there and stick it in there so it looks like it. And then what you want to do is have a line from here going to here and a line going from there. And that should kind of do it. This down here is looking a little goofy with this line like this. I don't know how to solve that. Don't like that line. So I move this up and just have it and move this down a little bit so it doesn't do the jog, it just goes straight across. And really, it doesn't, this line shouldn't be going to here actually, it should be going up here because and reduce this player down a little bit. It's a little bit too big. So it comes up like this and goes like that. And that should be good. And what you should really do then is, what you should do is really move this line up and have it go along like this and then point up like that. It to be the same. Oh, you can't see my cursor. So let's see. What I want you to do is go like this, shorten this, come along like this, and an arrow up and pointing up to here. And then bring this down a little bit. You can shrink this down as I mentioned to you. Once again, just like the other flag, this is a heading, so it has to be centered. And yeah, this needs to be centered in a larger font. And this has to be a smaller font. And this isn't even the same over here. So um, you can probably bump that up in a point size. That size, you got to put some space in here, and then make this fairly large, like it's that large. And this should be a smaller font. Like in basic typography, this is the heading, and it's never smaller than the copy underneath of it, right? This needs to be in italic right here. This, and I would shorten up the paragraph size, and that's good enough for now.